Back-to-back turns leave little room to catch guest damage before the next check-in. RapidEye uses AI to detect damages across thousands of PMS photos. It automates cleaning, verification, and property inspection for vacation rental property managers. Instead of manually reviewing every turnover image, teams can spot issues faster and more consistently. For vacation rental managers, it helps catch guest damage between tight back-to-back stays. For hotels and resorts, it supports room-ready verification at housekeeping scale. RapidEye also helps large portfolios with 200 or more units apply one consistent standard. It works with the PMS and operation stack teams already use. Breezeway integration syncs turnover photos from the workflow already in place. Slack can push flag turns straight into the channel where teams coordinate. A Chrome extension supports one-click photo upload from anywhere. If inspections depend on too many scattered photos, RapidEye makes the process automated and consistent.